Hey everybody, this is Buddy. Well, I've been getting a question lately and people have been asking on the internet, how do I make my videos? And how did I learn it? Well, I got to tell you, I learned it all by trial and error. I taught myself. And I'm a good listener. So I have listened to videos and watched YouTube videos on how to do things. But now I've taken it to a whole nother level. I've actually started quantum leaping to the buddy that is already a videographer, producer, director, filmmaker, documentary, and big screen credits. And that buddy lives in another reality, an alternative timeline where myself actually went into that field and was immensely successful. So what I do is, in a deep state of meditation, I literally send my intention and set my intention to meet that buddy, to quantum leap over to that timeline and ask him specific questions. Now I receive these answers in a form of a download. Over the next 2 or 3 days and nights, I expect fully telepathically to receive the information that I've asked for, and be it technical questions or even spiritually minded, technically innovative questions. Well, what happens is I get the answers, and it comes through my DNA, very essence of my subconsciousness. That's where all memory is. And that buddy and this buddy that you see right here in this time continuum is connected. And there's multiple buddies that are on multiple timelines that I can jump to and keep asking good questions. Social media marketing, anything I set my intention to, I can learn and master. So what I'm doing is sharing this with you. So like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment about it, and try to do it yourself. It's easy. Look it up. You'll find out that the other people out there teaching how to quantum leap and quantum jump, and asking yourselves good questions.